What better way to travel the world than through your taste buds? We've indulged in cuisines from all over the globe. One of my favorite spots is right in the middle of downtown Houston.
Sweet, buttery baklava, delicate Turkish delights, thin slices of lamb, beef and chicken shawarma, infused with exotic spices like turmeric, cardamom, and cinnamon.
It's amazing.
Flavors from far-flung corners of the world converge here at Phoenicia Specialty Foods and its own hip global gastropub next door called Market Bar.
Well, my favorite thing to order is the vegetable curry pot pie.
Or try the unique chili, packed with chickpeas and fava beans.
It's fantastic.
Oh, that's good. I love the lemon in it.
They've got their own take on tacos, too. Lamb shank on tandoor bread, topped with cucumber, orange, and fennel salad, then drizzled with mint labneh.
Oh, I love that sauce.
This is one eating adventure that deserves a spot on every foodie's bucket list. Next, we're digging into some curries and kebabs at an uber-popular spot in the capital. Bubbling biryanis, smoking samosas, and incredible kebabs will tantalize your taste buds at Tarka Indian Kitchen in Austin.
It's one of the best things to happen to Austin ever.
The menu is filled with flavorful vegetarian dishes, like these potato-stuffed samosas, topped with curried garbanzo beans and mint chutney.
The flavors literally leap off the plate.
Tarka's Beyond Kemah Curry will ignite your senses.
And look at the color and the ingredients.
Kemah curry is typically served with ground lamb, but Tarka takes it beyond with vegan protein crumbles, potatoes, and peas.
I love it.
Yeah.
That's fantastic.
That's Indian food.
Thank you.
Up next, the Alamo City, where we found a spot with fantastic food that's a little bit Asian and a little bit Cajun. This eye-popping Asian Cajun cuisine from Pinch Boil House in San Antonio is so good,
Oh, that is so good.
you gotta tweet before you eat.
Oh my gosh, I love Pinch.
This bistro serves up a slew of East meets West dishes. Start your meal with the must-have Pinch fries, loaded with crab, garlic mayo, and sriracha sauce. Then there's the Thai chili wings.
Okay, I get it now.
But it's the incredible seafood boils that put Pinch on the map. You can get them with garlic butter, dragon sauce, or Chef Cap's coconut curry. That one's my favorite. Cap tosses that irresistible sauce with freshly steamed mussels, crab, crawfish, and shrimp.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Oh, that's good. Yum.
It's the best place.
Our last stop is a hidden gem, an authentic Greek family-style restaurant tucked away in a little beach town in Galveston Bay. Fire up your taste buds. We're going Greek. 3,000 years of tradition, all on a plate at Bacchus Taverna in the scenic seaside town of Kemah.
Oh, I love Bacchus.
Succulent souvlaki, mixed grills with gyro slices, Greek salads topped with tangy hunks of feta cheese.
All the food here is delicious.
It's delicious, all right. The fire feta is a spicy mix of Greek feta, serrano peppers, tomato, and other exotic flavors.
That's good.
We have a lot of guests that come back just for this dish alone.
But the real showstopper at Bacchus is the saganaki, a fried cheese appetizer. The cheese comes out bubbling hot. You can top it with shrimp, gyro meat, fajita, or chicken.
Wow, it's like Greek fajitas, sizzling. Wow, that is awesome.
You'll taste Greek pride in every single bite at Bacchus.
Very good.